Next question, question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been pointed in some color with a message. Keep the park green and clean. If the side of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. Solution: let A is equal to 11 meter, B is equal to 15 meter and C is equal to 6 meter. एक साइड हमारे पास 11 है और सेकंड साइड हमारे पास 15 है, थर्ड साइड हमारे पास 6 मीटर है। तो हम सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे। S इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस C डिवाइडेड बाय 2 which implies S is equal to 11 plus 15 plus 6 upon 2. S is equal to 11 plus 15, that is equal to 26. 26 plus 6 is equal to 32 upon 2. 16. S is equal to 16. Why? Heron's formula. Area of triangle equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to S is 16 and 16 minus 11, then 16 minus 15 and 16 minus 6. Which implies 16 into 16 minus 11 equal to 5 and 16 minus 15 equal to 1 and 16 minus 6 equal to 10. Prime factorization equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16 and into 5 into 1 into 2 into 5, 10. That is equal to prime factor of 10 equal to 2 into 5. 1 pair, 2 pair and 1 pair is 5. Area equal to 2 into 2 into 5 and in bracket 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 under root 2 meter square आंसर। गिवन साइड्स हमारे पास है A इक्वल टू 11 मीटर, B इज इक्वल टू 15 मीटर एंड C इज इक्वल टू 6 मीटर। S इक्वल टू सम ऑफ साइड्स डिवाइडेड बाय 2, सेमी पेरीमीटर इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस C अपॉन 2, that is 32 upon 2 equal to 16. And by using Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to root of S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. S is 16 and 16 minus A is 11, 16 minus B is 15, 16 minus 6, C is 6. That is equal to 16 into 11 minus 16 minus 11 is 5, 16 minus 15 is 1 and 16 minus 6 is 10. Prime factors of 16, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 1 into prime factors of 10 equal to 2 into 5. 1 pair of 2, 1 pair of 2 and 1 pair of 5 is taking common and in bracket under root 2. 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20, root 2 meter square. Answer. Question number 4. Find the area of a triangle with two sides which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is equal to 42. A is equal to 18 centimeter, B is equal to 10 centimeter, it's given, and C is equal to sign of interrogation. Then perimeter is equal to 42 centimeter. 42 centimeter. Perimeter is 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42. 28 plus C is equal to 42, and C is equal to 42 minus 28, which implies C equal to 40. Given perimeter is equal to 42, then S is equal to 42 upon 2, that is 21. S is equal to 21 by Heron's formula. Area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is equal to 21 into 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, and 21 minus 14, which implies 21 into 21 minus 18 equal to 3, 21 minus 10 is 11, 21 minus 14 is 7. 21 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 into 3 into 11 into 7. One pair of 7, one pair of 3. We get 3 into 7 in bracket 11, which implies 21 root 11 centimeter square. Answer. Given A is 18 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, and we find the value of C. Then perimeter is equal to 42 centimeter, and A plus B plus C, sum of three sides equal to 42. 18 plus 10 is 28 plus C equal to 42. Then C is equal to 42 minus 28, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Value of C is equal to 14 centimeter, and if perimeter equal to 42, then S is equal to 42 upon 2, that is 21. We find the value of S, and using by Heron's formula, area of triangle equal to S root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 21, bracket 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14, that is 21 into 3 into 11 into 7, and 21 equal to 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11 and multiplied by 7. One pair of 7, one pair of 3 is taking common, that is 3 multiplied by 7, 21, and in root 11 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12, ratio 17, ratio 25, and its perimeter is equal to 540 centimeter. Find its area. Let A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x, C is equal to 25x, and given perimeter is equal to 540 centimeter. Perimeter equal to 540 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540, which implies 12 plus 17, that is equal to 29, 29 plus 25, equal to 54. 54x equal to 540, then x is equal to 540 upon 54, that is 10. X equal to 10, and we are putting the value of x equal to 10 in 12 into 10, then we get a is equal to, a will be 120 and b is equal to 170, then c is equal to 250. We find the value of a, b and c, and perimeter is equal to, s is equal to half of perimeter, that is 540 upon 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 270. S is equal to 270, and by using Heron's formula, area of triangle equal to, area of triangle is equal to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S is equal to 270, 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, and 270 minus 250. That is equal to 270 into 270 minus 120 equal to 150. 270 minus 170 equal to 100. And 270 minus 250, that is equal to 20, which implies 270 into 150 multiplied by 20. 15 2s are 30 and 20 multiply by 100. That is equal to 27 multiplied by 3 is equal to 81, 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply by 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which implies under root of 81 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to 9 into 9 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. We get 9, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3 centimeter square. Answer. A, B, C are in ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. That is 12x, B is equal to 17x, and C is equal to 15x. Their perimeter is equal to 540 centimeter. And sum equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. 54x equal to 540, then x equal to 540 divided by 54. That is equal to 10. And we are putting x is equal to 10 in A, B and C. And we get the value of A is 120, B is 170 and C is equal to 250. Perimeter is equal to 540 upon 2. S is equal to semi perimeter equal to 540 upon 2, that is 270. Using by Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Under root of S is 270, 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250. 270, 50, 100 and 20. 15 2s are 30, 3000 into 100, and 27 multiplied by 3 is 81, 10, 20, 30, 4, 5, 6 and 60. Then pair equal to 81 is equal to 9 into 9, and one pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, that is 10 into 10, 10 into 10, 10 into 10. One pair, 2 pair, 3 pair and one pair of 9 is taking common, and we get the answer 9000 centimeter square answer. Question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Isosceles triangle, that is ABC, 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and CB is x centimeter. Given perimeter of isosceles triangle is equal to 30 centimeter, and equal two sides is 12 plus other sides is x equal to 30. 24 plus x is equal to 30, which implies x is equal to 30 minus 24, and we get the value of x, that is third side, 6 centimeter. X is equal to 6 centimeter, third side. S is equal to perimeter half of 30, that is 15 centimeter. S is equal to 15 centimeter, and by using Heron's formula, area of triangle equal to under root of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S is 15, 15 minus A, that is 12, 15 minus B, two sides equal, that is also 12, and C we get 6 centimeter, 15 minus 6, which implies 15 multiplied by 15 minus 12 is 3, and 15 minus 12 is also 3, 15 minus 6 equal to 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 15 we can write 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 9, 3 multiplied by 3. 1 pair, 2 pair, and 15 in bracket, which implies we get area, that is 3 into 3 in bracket 15, 9 under root of 15 centimeter square answer. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, that is 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. And third side, we find third side given perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter. So sum of three sides, that is 12 plus third side x equal to 30 centimeter. And 12 plus 12 is 24 plus x equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 minus 24, that is 6 centimeter. And we find the value of third side, that is equal to 6 centimeter. And S is equal to semi perimeter equal to half of perimeter, that is 30 upon 2, 15 centimeter. S equal to 15 centimeter, and using by Heron's formula, area of triangle equal to S root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 15 and 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. 15 minus 12 is 3, 15 minus 12 is also 3, and 15 minus 6 equal to 9. And that is 15 equal to 3 multiplied by 5 into 3 into 3 into 9 equal to 3 into 3. One pair of 3 is taking common, that is 3 into 3, and in bracket 5 3s are 15. So we get 9, 3 3s are 9 under root 15 centimeter square answer. Thank you.